What's going on, guys? So we got a doozy here. Let me tell you, we got a Mazda Miata that just came in. It is actually, we came in because it's a parts car. So this thing is a 1990 and it's only got 104,000 miles on it, original mileage. Take a look at this thing's interior, guys. This thing is really clean, actually. We haven't vacuumed it or done anything to it, and the seats are super clean. Just the driver airbag is deployed. Convertible top on it. Man, that thing feels nice. It still feels really nice.
Oh, very nice.
Whatever. It's nice. But this thing's got some seriously heavy damage.
Might have a busted motor right there.
We do got a busted motor. This is the hood rod. Look at this thing. Look at the hood rod. It's just wrapped up. Put that right there. That should be good. This thing's got it all. Frame damage, support damage, structural damage, engine damage. You name it, this thing has got it. Let's see if this thing is worth repairing.
Got a train one for you too.
We have parted a few of these out. Oh yeah, dude, look at that. What is that? What kind of horn is that, huh?
Come on.
Somebody jerry-rigged a train horn looking. They were trying to tell people to get out the way. Unfortunately, it didn't work because you see the damage. So that didn't help them out too much. But let's take a look at this thing's oil. See if it's got oil in the engine. Okay, oh wow. Oh wow, that's super clean oil. Look at that. That is super clean, fresh oil, guys. 104,000 miles. This is why when we buy cars, the mileage is one of the biggest things we go off of. When we buy a 1990 car or in the 90s, we're not looking to buy 200,000+ miles because that thing, you know, it's being driven and it usually hasn't been kept well. But when you can find a gold mine like this where it's a nice 90s car, the interior looks clean, the mileage is low, even with damage like this, you know what you're getting yourself into. I can confidently say, even though this engine is broken, you see this timing gear is even broken, but if we got in there and we changed that and we fixed it, this is a solid 100% solid motor. But guys, should we fix it? Should we not fix it? Look at these frames. The frame is definitely damaged here. I could find another, I definitely could find another frame rail and support and just cut it and get it welded and change it out. Not a problem. I mean, we could fix this thing. If we needed to fix it, we could fix it. But I don't know, guys. Would somebody out there be interested in this car if we did fix it? Maybe do a Mazda Miata giveaway? I don't know. I'm just throwing it out there, you know. Just if we get likes and comments on it, maybe we will. If we don't, maybe we'll keep it. Who knows? I mean, whatever works out, you know.